Encountering a no smart key detected error in your 2023 to 2025 Hyundai Palisade? This often stems from a dead key fob battery. These models use a smart key system with RFID and Bluetooth. When the fob's 3-volt CR2032 battery dips below 2.4 volts, communication with the car's computer BCM fails, triggering the error. Recent Hyundai recalls and software updates addressed manufacturing defects that caused premature battery drain, but the issue can still occur, especially in cold weather. Your Hyundai Palisade key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. To access it, locate the release button on the back of the fob. Press the release button and pull out the key blade. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Insert the key into the door lock cylinder and turn it counterclockwise. This bypasses the electronic system and allows you to enter the vehicle even with a completely dead fob battery. Note that once inside, you may only have limited access to other doors via the interior buttons. Now that you're inside, let's start the car. With the door unlocked, place the dead key fob directly on or very near the push-button ignition. The vehicle will attempt to scan for the fob's unique ID. Press and hold the start button for 2 to 3 seconds. If the system detects the fob, even with a weak signal, the engine should start. If it doesn't, try cycling the vehicle's power by pressing the start button without the fob present first, then trying again with the fob next to the button. A common fix for the dead key fob is replacing the battery. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, available at most auto parts stores for around $5. Carefully pry open the fob using a small screwdriver or similar tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the case. Replace the old battery with the new one, making sure the positive side faces up for correct polarity. Snap the fob back together securely. Consider having a professional do this to ensure proper sealing and avoid warranty issues. Between 2023 and 2025, Hyundai issued Recall Campaign number 110 and several over-the-air software updates to address widespread key fob failures. These updates aim to fix a manufacturing defect in the fob's battery compartment, which caused premature battery draining. If you own a 2023 or 2024 Palisade, check with your local Hyundai dealership to ensure your vehicle has received these updates and if your fob qualifies for a free replacement. If the mechanical key and fob placement methods fail, the body control module, or BCM, might need a reset or reprogramming. This requires a visit to a Hyundai dealership where certified technicians can perform the necessary diagnostics. Avoid using unauthorized OBD2 scanners to diagnose or reset the system. These cheap tools can damage the body control module and void your vehicle's warranty. If the issue persists, especially after a battery replacement, consult a certified Hyundai technician for a proper diagnosis. They have the tools and expertise to identify underlying problems. Hyundai is increasingly integrating smartphone apps like BlueLink for keyless access, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Many 2025 Palisades come with digital key support via Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Hyundai is also experimenting with rechargeable lithium polymer batteries for fobs in future models, potentially lasting 5 to 7 years. This shift aims to improve convenience and reduce electronic waste. Preventing a dead fob situation is key. Replace your key fob battery every 6 to 12 months to avoid sudden failures. In extremely cold climates, consider using an insulated fob case to protect against battery drain. Always keep the mechanical key readily accessible for emergency situations. Finally, remember that safety is paramount. Consult your owner's manual or Hyundai support before attempting any fixes, and if problems persist, seek professional help.